Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of ESPN. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will enter to ESPN app and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.